Hi guys, here's another video. I've got this Vauxhall Corsa and there's a problem with the door latch on the inside. The door opener, it's not working. So what I've got to do is wind the window down, put my hand on the outside and open the door like this, which is a bit of a long thing. Okay, so I've already started. Just got to remove these Torx screws. I remove one from here and there's one underneath here, all the same size head Torx, and then there's two inside this door handle. I'll show you there. There's one inside here. That's the actual one I've removed from there, and there's one up here where the actual door opener is behind this little cover. Just pop that out of the way. That's the cover removed, and then just get my Torx key in there and undo that, as you can see I'm doing here. And just retrieve that. Okay, and then finally there's one behind this switch, behind the window switch, which I just have to pop up out of the way. Let me just show you here. Just pop that switch up out of the way, and then you can access the Torx. Let's get that final one out of the way. Okay, now that that's removed, it's just a matter of popping the bottom off like this and then pushing the whole thing up, and the door panel should remove. It's still connected to the speakers and the cable, which I'm going to have to undo. The cable's probably snapped while the door won't open, while the door opener is not working. And let me just show you here. As you can see, just give you a little close-up. I'm just doing the cable, which should come away with the hook, but it doesn't. That's just the cable by itself. The hook's come off or the cable's snapped. And I'll just undo the hook here, which is supposed to be attached to the cable. Okay. I'll show you here. I've managed to ascertain that the problem is it's just come out. It's crimped at the factory, but it's come away. I haven't got a tool to crimp it, so I'm just going to use super glue to put it back together, because there's not much stress on it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just use this screwdriver just to clean it out. Just get that in there, get any excess out, and knock it off. And then I'm just going to use some super glue. Just put a little blob on the end of the hook, like so. Just a little blob on there. Okay, and I'm just going to grip it with a pair of pliers, the cable, and slide this the hook back on. Now that I've put super glue on it, and just run it, dab it a bit so it circulates. And there you can see I'll just push it home now. And then all I've got to do is leave that to go off for a bit. You can see it's fully inserted. The cable's fully inserted into the hook once again, but glued this time, because I haven't got a tool to crimp it. Okay, just let that dry and come back to it. And here we are, as you can see. That's it, fully dried. And if you pull it, the door latch should release. You can see, you can hear it there, the action, and it's not coming off. If it does happen again, I'll have to replace the cable, and it goes inside here, which is a pain to get to. If I had to replace the whole thing, it goes inside the door latch, the door catch, sorry. Okay, so just put the pedal back on lively, just reverse of previous when I removed it. And just show you here, I've got the screws in, screw on the side there, screw on the bottom there. I've got the two screws in behind the door handle and one screw on the door release, and I've just popped it back on. So let me just show you here to give a little demonstration. If I push the door catch in and pull the lever, you'll see it just flick back out there. And just to make sure, I'll just shut the door and pull the lever from inside, and as you can see, the door opens. So that's a successful repair with that. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.